Hello viewers, welcome to Sunshine Properties. Now we are stepping into a beautiful maintained 2 BHK flat, thoughtfully designed with elegant interiors. Spacious living area, modular kitchen, bright and airy bedrooms, premium lighting and fall ceiling. The flat is excellent condition, perfect for families looking to move in without extra renovation. Flat details: 1130 SFT, west facing, 4th floor, UDS 27 square yards, 5 years old property. Amenities: lift with power backup, 24/7 water supply, CCTV security, car parking, and price details: 77 lakhs. Besides Puppalguda Narsingi Road and very prime location in Manikonda. 2 kilometers distance to ORR, 3 to 4 kilometers distance to Financial District and Kokapet. For more details or to schedule a visit, call 7036 525273 and like, share, subscribe for more property updates. And thanks for watching.